Almond milk is a great alternative to dairy milk. From its low sugar levels to its high amount of vitamin E, almond milk makes a great ally for those looking for a satisfying healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we will share 5 amazing health benefits and uses of almond milk. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. There will be many more videos to come for your help. 5 amazing health benefits and uses of almond milk. Lower in calories. Almond milk is a great option for people who want to cut calories and lose weight. This may come as a surprise, since it's a well-known fact that raw almonds are high in calories and fat. But the way almond milk is processed, only a very small portion of almonds is present in the finished product. 1 cup of almond milk contains only 30 to 50 calories, while the same amount of whole dairy milk contains 146 calories. No doubt, that makes it a great substitute for you if you are trying to lose weight or maintain your current weight. Packed with nutrition. Almond milk is naturally rich in essential vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin E, vitamin D, calcium, and protein. This lactose-free, vegan milk is perfect for healthy smoothies, as it adds creaminess in the smoothies that you like, without adding a ton of calories. Reduce your risk for diabetes. Choosing food and beverages naturally low in sugar can help you limit your risk of certain chronic diseases. Sugar-free almond milk is a low-carb beverage. It is also high in fat and protein relative to its carb content. For this reason, it doesn't cause a spike in blood sugar levels, making it suitable for people with diabetes, as well as reduce the risk of diabetes. Cholesterol-free. One of the best benefits of almond milk is that it doesn't contain any cholesterol or saturated fat. Being a plant-based alternative for milk, people who might have heart problems can definitely enjoy it without worries. Besides, it's also low in sodium and high in healthy fats, such as omega fatty acids, which helps to prevent high blood pressure and several heart disease. Full of antioxidants. Besides being a rich source of calcium, almond milk is full of antioxidants too. Our bloodstream gains free radicals whenever we exhale, and they have the opposite effect of antioxidants in our bodies. Having a high count of free radicals and a low count of antioxidants can lead us to experience premature aging and cell extinction. Almond milk contains 50% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin E, which contains antioxidant essential to your skin's health. Drinking almond milk prevents premature aging and keeps your skin glowing. Hope this video will help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.